guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Prachi and I post regular updates on Canadian visa, Canadian immigration, life in Canada and all kinds of updates about immigrating to Canada. So please subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to hit that bell icon because that will make sure that you get notified about all the content that I post about Canada. So stay tuned. Hi guys, so a lot of you have been asking me this question that is the soft landing allowed in Canada or not, because when earlier what used to happen was that when people got their permanent residency approved, when they got their COPR, they generally wanted to land in Canada and just do a soft landing there without staying there for long, and they wanted to come back to their own country, and after settling things in their home country, for example resigning or maybe selling their house or something like that, they used to go back to settle there permanently, which is called soft landing. But now in the COVID situation, the soft landing is considered as non-essential travel, which is why the Canadian government has clearly issued the guidelines that they will not be allowed any kind of soft landing. To show you the same thing on the website, let me show you what they've mentioned. So I am on the Canadian government website, canada.ca, and if you see, for the people who have already received their COPR, okay, they've mentioned, let me just show it to you here. So you cannot come, you won't be allowed to enter Canada right now if you are traveling for reasons like tourism, recreation, entertainment, or to finalize your permanent resident application but not settle here, which means that they've clearly mentioned that you cannot come here to do a soft landing, and they are basically encouraging people to travel to Canada only and only if it is completely essential, and if you are coming here to settle permanently and not do a soft landing. So if you have the COPR and if you want to move to Canada, you have to show them your settlement plans, and which means that where you're going to stay and where you're going to do your job, or where all you have applied for a job and where all you are appearing for interviews, so that they're convinced that you're not coming to Canada only to do soft landing. If they think that you are doing the soft landing, they will not allow you to enter Canada.